We are back with another video.
Hey guys, today we're going to be calling random Chinese food stores and basically just asking for like cat and dog, rat, anything that we know that's not on the menu. So you want to call first? You want me to call first? What if they say they got it? I'm gonna eat Chinese food again. What's the first number you calling? What's that? Perkin Garden. Is this the Chinese store? Yes, I was calling because I would like to. Hello? Hello? Don't think they can hear me. You need to put it on speaker. Yes, is this the Chinese store? Oh, yes, I wanted to order some food and I'm gonna come get it. Yes. Can I have order a shrimp fried rice and fried shrimp? They hung up on me. Did you dial the right number?
Yeah.
Let me dial the number. Okay.
No, 45.
I'm not dialing that number again. I'm dialing another one. Because he was hanging up on me. How you put this junk on speaker?
Garden, how can I help you?
Yes, I would like to place an order and I'm gonna come pick it up.
What can I get for you today?
Can I have an order of shrimp fried rice with fried shrimp?
Fried baby or jumbo shrimp?
Jumbo. And can I have an order of chicken wings?
Hold on 1 second, ma'am. Sorry to cut you off. Is it fried baby shrimps or fried jumbo shrimps?
Fried jumbo.
Hello?
Jumbo shrimp.
Okay, that's with shrimp fried rice.
Right.
Okay.
And can I have a side of cat?
Sorry?
A side of cat.
A side of...
Cat legs.
Huh?
Do you have cat legs? Hello? Hello?
Yes?
Can you hear me? Do you have cat legs? Hello? Hello? She ain't saying nothing.
Get an order of cat legs.
She like cat legs. Like, okay, now you're going too far. Let me dial the number, please. Which one you want to dial? The left?
Yes, I wanna. Can I order? Hello? Yes, I wanna order. Yes, I wanna order. Yes, you hear me? Hello?
I don't know. They probably can't hear from that app. You might have to call from the right number.
Yes. Yes, I wanna order. I wanna order Chinese food. Yes, I want 4 chicken wings with pork fried rice. I want an order of chicken wings with pork fried rice. I'm coming to pick up. Yes, I'm coming to pick up. Can you order me a 4 chicken wings with pork fried rice? Yes, pork fried rice. Can I get an order of cat? Can I get an order of dog? Can I get an order of dog and cat? Can I get an order of cat and dog, please? Can I get an order of cat and dog, please? Can I get an order of cat? Pork fried rice and cat. Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you.
I said, can I get an order of pork fried rice and chicken wings and cat? Can you hear me?
He hung up on you. He might, yeah, okay. As soon as you say that, they can hear everything else. But as soon as you say cat and dog, they don't hear nothing. That's crazy. Listen, no, I can't hear you.
You want to do one more?
He heard you perfectly clear when you asked for the chicken wings, though. They calling back. Ignore him. Please don't call the number that I already dialed.
This one?
The last one? No.
You do little breach, little branch, you know?
Why does it take me so long to dial the number? Yes, I would like to place an order.
Hello?
Yes, I would like to place an order.
I can't hear you. Could you speak it right?
I want to place an order.
I cannot hear you. You're there too loud.
You have to call it on the regular phone because it's not working. They can't hear us on that thing. He said I'm being too loud. Call him back again on a different number. Not that app.
This one. They can hear it in.
They can't hear me. Calling this one? Because I think I called. Okay. Yes, I want to place an order.
Hi, 6 Happiness, how can I help you?
Yes, can I have an order of fried baby shrimp? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I want to order a fried baby shrimp
Yeah,
and
are you on a speakerphone so I can hear you well?
an order of fried baby shrimp
With rice or french fries?
with french fries.
Okay.
And can I have an order of chicken wings with shrimp fried rice?
Okay.
And do you have any fish? Fish?
Fish we have.
Oh, can I have a fried fish with french fries?
I'm very sorry. It seems too far away from the phone. I can't hear you well.
Fried fish with french fries?
Okay.
And one order of dog.
Sorry?
One order of dog. And one order of cat. Can you hear me? Hello? I don't think she can hear me. Can you hear me? Hello? She hung up. She hung up on me.
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, I want to order pork fried rice and chicken wings.
Okay.
Let me get another order of shrimp lo mein,
Small shrimp.
a large.
Okay.
And let me get an order of cat and dog.
Huh?
Let me get an order of cat and dog.
Okay.
You got cat and dog?
Yeah.
You have cat and dog?
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm coming to pick it up, and I want an order of 3 large Coca-Cola.
Okay.
All right. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Now, did y'all hear that? So they do got some cat and dog. And what Chinese store was that? Ching Hing Kitchen.
Ching Hing Kitchen.
Where is that? In New York? Yeah, I'm definitely never eating Chinese food again. Especially not from New York. That's nasty. Wow. So they got an order. I'm done. Alright, so we're about to end off this video. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the video. And we out. Peace.
And subscribe again. Bing, bing.